Next, look and listen for stridor. Stridor is a harsh noise made when the child is breathing in. It sounds like this.
Look to see when the child is breathing in. And then, since the noise may be difficult to hear, listen for stridor by placing your ear near the child's mouth. Breathing in, breathing in, breathing in. This child has a harsh noise on breathing in. This child has stridor. If a calm child has stridor, the child is in danger of a life-threatening airway obstruction. Sometimes you will hear a wet noise if the nose is blocked. Clear the nose and listen again. Or you may hear other noises when the child breathes out, such as wheezing. These are not stridor.
Often, a child who is not very ill will have stridor only when the child is crying or upset. So be sure to look and listen for stridor only when the child is calm. That completes the assessment for cough or difficult breathing.